welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Lok Sabha poll notification in a day or two. State machinery fully prepared for code of conduct. Tenders, work orders being cleared in lots. CM pushing in 1,500 crore worth works. Dismal performance yet again in tax revenue. State Treasury to witness tax shortfall of 500 crores by March end. CM says financial position not sound but no crisis. Prudence Treasury Panchanama. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar confident of BJP winning North and South Goa seats for Lok Sabha. Slams opponents for baseless allegations and media too. Auction price of iron ore may go up. Jindal Group to participate in e-auction. 2 million ton ore auction by 5th March. International market prices for ore collapse. And more than 300 enthusiastic run for Nautica Goa Beach Run 2014. India's first timed half marathon score good response. Now news in detail. Notification for the Lok Sabha poll is expected any time in a week, in a day or two. That's what the state officials are hinting at. The state machinery is fully prepared to face the code of conduct. The tenders and work orders are being cleared in lots anticipating the enforcement election code. There are indications that polls will spread over 7 phases. Chief Minister Parrikar too is in a hurry to clear projects and works. He says tenders for works of almost 1,500 crores are in pipeline.
The Election Commission had a high-level meeting of Chief Secretaries, Police Chiefs and Chief Electoral Officers of all states on Thursday to review the security and other arrangements for coming Lok Sabha polls. There are indications that they may spread over 7 phases in the month of April and May. The state politicos and the state administration is sensing the poll notification. Sources claim that the Election Commission will likely declare the poll schedule any moment this week. Code of conduct will come into force at once. Keeping an eye on the poll and pre-monsoon works, state government has decided to clear tenders and work orders for various infrastructural projects and maintenance works. Chief Minister Parrikar said projects worth nearly 1,500 crores are in pipeline.
ऑर्डर्स जो दिल्या त्यो साधारण ऑलरेडी 400-500 कोटीची ऑर्डर्स दिल्या अनेक म्हाका दिसता 100 कोटीची ऑर्डर एकाद्रे फाल्यां पर्यंत मेकळी जाय पण ऑर्डर समज दिली ना म्हणून व्हडले जग बुडा मे म्हयन्यान दितले तातूंत कित्याक प्रोसेस चालू आहा ती जवळ 1,500 कोटीची प्रोसेस चालू आहा प्रोसेस म्हणजे इन पायपलायन आसा ऑर्डर दिल्ली कामां 700-800 कोटीची आसतली ताज्या नंतर उरली समजा जाल्यार इलेक्शन जावन बसतली सगळे मेळून 800 कोटीची कामां फाल्यां पर्यंत ऑर्डर दिवन मेकळी जातली हे कामां सुरू जातली.
Department of Child and Women Development has issued an order stating that it will not sanction any new cases under Ladli Lakshmi and Graha Aadhar scheme till election process is over. But applicants can apply for the scheme, which will be considered after the Lok Sabha elections result. Local sources say Election Commission will start training session to its staff from Monday. There will be camps for registration of new voters and correction of rolls. First level checking of electronic voting machine has concluded. Commission has also published voters list after enrolling the new ones and deleting the names of missing voters. Reporter Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Sushant Pearl for Prudent.
Dismal performance yet again in the tax revenue. Commercial tax figures in first 9 months of the current fiscal are not at all encouraging. While government expected a rise of 33%, commercial tax recovery is showing a meager 4% growth, almost 30% shortfall to an annual target. The state of affairs if continues, Treasury will witness a tax shortfall of almost 500 crores by March end. Chief Minister says financial position, though not very sound, state is not in crisis. Prudence Treasury Panchanama.
Negative impact of the mining ban is more intense on the state economy this fiscal. Commercial tax recovery figures for the first half of the current fiscal is not at all encouraging. The recovery just shows a meager rise of 66 crores, that's just 4% compared to the first 9 months of the past fiscal. Prudent has the latest figures of the commercial tax recovery. That includes VAT and CST, entry tax, entertainment and the luxury tax. Government has proposed a whopping 33% growth in the commercial tax in the current fiscal. However, the central sales tax, VAT, entry, entertainment and luxury tax, which constitute commercial tax, are not showing the expected rise. Especially the major tax, VAT, is showing a meager rise of just 3%. The trend exactly as estimated by Prudent in its first Treasury Panchnama last March. Government expects the commercial tax recovery of 2,675 crores, while the actual recovery was just 2,013 crores past fiscal. Despite executing all of its renewed tax proposals in the first month of the current fiscal, state is struggling to achieve the last year's figure. Even if the tax shows a positive growth of 8%, Treasury would fall short of commercial tax target by almost 500 crores. Despite a clear visible negative impact of the mining ban on the state's economy, government proposed an over-enthusiastic GDP growth of 12% for current fiscal. Economy showing a negative trend. Last fiscal, a stamp duty collection on the mining lease renewals amounted to almost 300 crores, giving a bit of relief. This fiscal bearing the collection of almost 300 crores on the dump fees. Government is now banking upon income from e-auction, which may give a relief of 250 crores this fiscal. Chief Minister says, financial position though not very sound, state isn't in crisis.
My financial position is reasonably okay. I'm not saying I'm very rich, but हांव उपाशी पडना माती. Commercial tax collection पोरूपेक्षा सध्या म्हाका दिसता 7% बी सुबेसा approximately. Between 5 to 7% more. I don't think we will be having much of a deficit.
Revenue from mining activity is a gone case this fiscal. Adding to the woes, commercial tax if continues the way it is, Treasury might witness a target shortfall of almost 500 crores by fiscal end. In the current crisis, which all departments faced an expenditure cut at the cost of populistic schemes, only the actuals in the next budget will tell. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is confident of BJP winning North and South Goa seats for Lok Sabha. He slammed his opponents for making baseless allegations. Moreover, he criticized media for giving undue publicity to his opponents without going into facts.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar criticized media for publishing allegations made by the activist and his opponents. He said media reports issues without studying facts and figures.
एक चिंता सरत जाता निर्माण ती म्हणजे टीव्ही हो आमचो एक इन्फॉर्मेशनाचे सेंटर जाला. आता जर कोणे ज्ञान ताजे बद्दल ते घेवपाक प्रयत्न केलो जाल्यार सिंपल गजाल लक्षात अशी येता की टीव्हीर जी बातमी येता ती कोणे दिल्ली आसता, ती एका रिपोर्टरान दिल्ली आसता. कंट्री तो वता ते घेता आनी ताजो कंपेरर आसता तो ती बातमी सांगता. रिपोर्टर जो आसता ताका कितले पगार मेळटा आसतलो, 20,000 रुपया पगार मेळटा. तो सांगणारो कंपेरराक 25,000 मेळटा आसतलो. म्हणजे ते सादारणपणे बीकॉम किंवा ग्रॅज्युएट शिकले आसतले, व्हडले थिंकर न्हय ते, विचारवंत न्हय ते आपल्याक समजता जशी बातमी येता. आतां पळयतलो तो पळय भानगडीचो भाग आसा तो बाजूक काडटा, पयशे घेवन दिणारे बातमी लोक आसा आनी त्यामुळे आपल्याक दिसता अशें ते बातमी छापतात.
Furthermore, he claimed that many publishing houses have links with some political parties which mislead people on critical issues.
खंयचो पेपराचे पॉलिटिकल इन्क्लिनेशन कितें तें खबर आसा, त्या प्रमाणे तो बातमी शकता. हे इतलें आमकां लक्षांत येयलें की विशय सोंपलो म्हणटा दिसता. बाकी म्हणजे ते बातमेंत मॅटर कितें आसा तातूंत हांव वचना.
Slamming Goa Rakan Manch on their threat to defeat BJP candidates, he said BJP would win both seats.
It is for the people to decide. न्ही शेवटी लोक आमी लोकां समोर वता. हांव एका एक्टिविस्ट किंवा एका मनशा समोर वचना. म्हज्या विरोधान जे पक्ष आहा ते म्हज्या विरुद्धूच काम करतले, ते म्हाका सपोर्ट करतले ही कल्पना म्हणजे जो कोण म्हज्या विरोधान कितेंय कारण आसत तें हांव कारणाचेर उलयना. कारणां कितें आसत जो म्हज्या विरोधान आहा पळय तो विरोधानूच काम करतलो. त्यामुळे ताजो टार्गेट म्हाका उडोवपूच आसतलो म्हणून कितें मनीस पडटा.
म्हणजे कॉन्फिडन्स दोनूय तुमी
म्हाका 101% गॅरंटी आहा. आय एम व्हेरी कॉन्फिडंट. आय इंटरॅक्ट विथ पीपल. हांव असो हवेर उलयना. हांव लोकां कडेन उलयता आनी काही गजालीचे सेन्स तुमकां आसूंक जाय. काही गजाली कोण म्हणटात पळय तांच्या संदर्भात तुमकां तांची ताकद कितें आहा ती कळूंक जाय.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Shushant Pearl for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.